Bing, bing on Google Takes Live on Tuesday, and it is the Modern Fowler Squad, and we have myself and Matthias and Nicola. Nicola, you already started telling me what was going on with you. Let's start with you today for a change. Yeah, how are things?
I will start with website 1. I'm looking at the upgrade to Factory Girls, the sham, and I'm trying to see what has changed, and after that I will move the Factory Girl. I will replace it with Factory Bot. So I'm trying to see what it has changed and what changes are needed. And also I've been playing a little bit with the repository on local support, and as I've been changing from the local support repository of Stella and the direct clone of the local support repository, I think that I lost how I was deploying to Heroku. So if you can remind me.
Yeah, we can go through.
I have the notes, but I don't have anymore the station branch because I deleted it. So
no, I can help you get set up properly with that at the end of the Scrum.
Cool. Yeah, nice. That's all.
Yeah, excellent. That reminds me of local support. We should talk about the database, but that's another. We can do end of the Scrum as well.
Okay.
Yeah. Stamatius, how are things going with you?
So, excuse me. I was working on the refactoring recommendations that you offered yesterday for local support for the breadcrumbs. So I think I did as much as I could, and I still got 3 code climate issues. So I know you offered for the pairing session yesterday. So if you have time today, if you don't mind.
Sure. Yes. And indeed, yeah, I do actually have an open slot. But let me give you. Yeah, I'll send you a link to book when it's convenient for yourself. Great. Yeah. Anything else on your mind?
Nope. That was all at the moment.
All right. So then that's me, and for some reason my cat is very dark. No, and then that's brighter. Who knows what's going on there? We have this change. One day it's dark, one day it's sunny, and like I don't know, I can't remember. My blind sorted. What's going on? This morning, yeah, I've been working on this membership database for the Anthony Powell Society, and I've been programming in VB, which I didn't think I was going to do again anytime soon. But that actually is going okay. We're making progress. Hopefully, I can kind of finish the majority of it by the end of the week. That would be nice. I have, what else have I been doing? Yeah, I've been checking in with the MOOC because the part 2 is going to go live. I'm kind of getting my brain into that. I think the main thing is just to update the syllabus, really. Although I think there's also the pages about how people start Hangouts on air need to change. So yeah, there's work to be done there. I guess the main things coming up today, we've got the RSpec mob, which is coming up after this. We've got, what else happens? I've got a pairing session with Lara. We're going to work on getting analytics set up for the Met Plus projects, where we have a little block there that the emails are not being sent, and I'm looking at the cron jobs and the I thought I'd set up a TMUX session for them, but that seems to have died. I guess that's the problem. Yeah. Yes. Okay. But yeah, I will need to be checking in with that. Makes me think we need to create a DevOps channel for local support as well. That would be a good thing to have. Yeah, and then that should be the day, really. Yeah, lots of little bits to get done. I think no other technical blockers. So that's our Scrum. So let's just come back around to Nicola. You had the issue of, you just want to get, so this is for local support, right? You want to get...
Yeah, because today something weird happened when I was upgrading WebMock because the Dependabot upgrade, it was failing because Cold Climate was saying that the code coverage was decreasing. I tried to push myself, and it did pass, but I don't know if Travis was running. That was weird because I think that after a while I saw all the Travis pull requests and all the changes that I've done, they were running. But in the moment that when I pushed the pull request, the only thing that ran was Code Climate, and no
And not the
no
other one.
Travis. So yeah,
Yeah.
that was weird.
Yeah, I mean, some
I don't
Travis.
know. I think that is
go on.
closed now.
Yeah, I mean,
I think that
Travis
is,
as
here.
a third-party service can, of course, go down. But this is a pull request that you have merged already, or
let me see. Where are you? Local support.
Local support.
Yeah, the one that is closed, the first one, I think.
Yeah, that's this one here. Yeah.
Yeah.
And so this one.
I mean, I ran all the tests locally to check
fine,
it.
But
So,
yeah, for some reason it didn't run the CI.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was weird because I thought, okay, but maybe that is affecting also the deploy to develop, because after Travis,
if the CI doesn't complete, then it won't do the deploy. So that's a situation where we would have to do a manual deploy. I mean, in general, I would say if the CI doesn't run, maybe hold off on merging it until we can have a look at
what it was happening with Travis.
Yeah, just to be. I mean, it's probably going to be fine, but
okay.
Yeah, maybe in future, just bring that to my attention. Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Cool.
But yeah, so given
I saw that the last deploy is from 5 days ago.
Yeah. So it won't have deployed. So that's the situation here. What's happening there? You're okay. RVM or use the long use 2.4.2. So that's the situation where we would need to do a manual deploy. So I think that the things that you were asking about are, I mean, this is, I can just post. Well, I'll tell you what I'll do actually first, because we're on the topic of local support DevOps, and I was just saying what we should have is like the Met Plus project, we should explicitly have a DevOps channel, and it's cool. I have mixed feelings about calling it DevOps, because part of the idea is with DevOps is that developers and operations should be the same thing, but and so maybe it should be called local support operations. But anyway, I think it, it's a nod to saying, the developers should get involved in it. So let's have local support DevOps for DevOps for local support. And let's start with at least yourself. In this, there you go. All right. Now we have a channel, right? And so here I could put in. So that's the staging. So let's put in here like the things that I have. So the staging server, we have the production server, and we have the develop server somewhere. Let's go and find the develop server. Yes, there we go. Alrighty, and bonky, and there we go. Right. So then we have that, for the record, accessible there at the beginning of the local support DevOps channel. So if you need to add those remotes to whichever repository, you can do that.
Yeah.
Right. And then so given that we've, in that situation, the CI has not run and has not done the deploy, then given for me that also noting here that for me, well, it doesn't matter. My origin here happens to be the main Agile Ventures local support repo. Here I can do, I've just pulled out the label lotus develop. I can do git push develop master, and that will force a deploy of the develop branch to the develop server. Although I shouldn't. This is only like a special, because something's
because CI didn't run.
Yeah, it's sort of an exceptional event, or if we're like, there's some emergency and we can't wait for the CI to pass, and it's like this has to go out now. Then this is our kind of like direct access to force things out that shouldn't normally be necessary. But so I'll just take that command there, and so like in an it's an exceptional situation, we can deploy direct from Git to Heroku, like so. Go. And what can we say there? And yeah, but usually CI should
run the
deploy for us. And we could actually get all this stuff written up as like DevOps notes at some point. So is that all of the? Do you need any other information or support on that front?
No, I think that now I will add those remotes, and I think that I will be able to do the deploy also to station to see how things are working after checking develop. Yeah.
Great. Yep. Yep. I mean, and of course, webmock as a change in principle shouldn't affect anything of the operation of the system because it will only affect how the tests run rather than the. But it's still always good to check. So yeah, excellent. All right, I'll run those tests locally as well. Okay, cool. So I think that's Nicola's issues sorted. So it's Dematios. Yeah, if you want to get some pairing on, so we have this deal thing set up. What do I want to go? Do I want to go there? Yeah, let's go to that. What was I going to do? Yeah. So anyway, so we have this. The deal is do connect. Actually, are we connected on LinkedIn or Twitter already, Dematios?
I think I already connected on LinkedIn, and I think I also liked Agile Ventures on Facebook or something like that.
Oh, okay. Oh, cool. Oh, yeah.
Well,
if you liked Agile Ventures on Facebook, you can get access to a mob session if you want to do like, want to have a trial of one of those anytime. There are in these pages, there are examples of both mobs and the face-to-face. But yeah, if you're connected to me on LinkedIn, then what you can use this. Oh, go on. Yeah, you can use this link here. I'll put it in the chat. There, I'll put it in your Slack as well, just in case you don't get it from there. And yeah, that'll show you time slots when I'm available, and you can book a session. And we can kind of review that. I think you've done well to get back down from that 16 to that 3 items. I think taking the advice from yesterday, it's definitely a big improvement. You're going in the right direction. But yeah, very happy to pair with you on that. Awesome. To kind of finish it up. Good stuff.
Much appreciated.
Pleasure. Yeah, so I do. There is. Oh, what's this? Okay, I think I might play this cool. I've got a session later on today. If you grab that, I'll see you then. If not, I'll see you folks later on. All right. Okay. Bye for now.
Bye.
Cheers.
Take care. Have a great day.
You too. Bye. Hello.